Having a bright white smile can boost your confidence as you show off dazzling teeth. The first feature that people notice is your smile, and for good reason. When you have a great smile, you feel better about yourself, and keeping it white or rejuvenating it to a bright shade is key maintenance with any smile. The best teeth whitening near me starts with knowing what products and services are available in your area. When people search for teeth whitening near me, a few options will pop up. You'll find some dental clinics that offer teeth whitening through blue lights. In order to get this treatment, you'll have to become a registered patient and potentially have dental insurance. Two big issues come up with getting whitening treatments from the dentist. It's tough to get an appointment, and sometimes you'll have to schedule one a few weeks or even a month or so ahead, so if you're looking to get white teeth quickly, this isn't a great option. The second issue is the big bill that's attached to getting your teeth whitened at the dentist. You're looking at spending hundreds of dollars for a one-time visit. While the blue light treatment can provide quick results, it's a matter of finding time that works well for you and your dentist. Another option that you will find when searching for teeth whitening near me is over-the-counter products. Your search results will have drugstores, Walmarts, and other chains that offer products that will whiten your teeth. These products will be anything from whitening pens, at-home blue lights, whitening strips, and special toothpaste. If you want a cheap option that you could do as soon as you get home, you could purchase these whitening options. The problem is that while they will brighten your teeth a few shades, they won't give your smile a full coverage. Many of these products only whiten the front of your teeth and miss the molars, backs, and crevices of your teeth that have been stained over time. These whitening treatments not only miss parts of your smile, but are not the professionally grade strength that you would receive from your dentist. For example, the blue lights are not as powerful as the blue lights your dentist would have. These treatments will boost your shade but not give you the ultimate results that you may be looking for when you search for teeth whitening near me. The best option, and one that is always near you, is custom whitening trays from Sporting Smiles. The best teeth whitening near me starts with the #1 online dental company and their custom whitening trays. To receive them, you'll order them online and receive free 3-way shipping. You'll be sent the Sporting Smiles patented impression kit, where you will take both top and bottom impressions of your teeth. Once you ship the impression kit back, Sporting Smiles will start crafting your custom teeth whitening trays. These trays are unique and special for a few reasons. They are crafted to fit just your smile as opposed to other whitening treatments that fit all smiles. The trays will encase your teeth from the molars and back all the way up to the front. Paired with foaming whitening gel that is activated at the touch of your saliva, the gel will foam into the cracks and crevices of your teeth, giving your smile a full treatment and whitening the backs of your teeth to go along with the front. This gives your smile the ultimate treatment and will help erase years of tea, wine, coffee, smoking, and age stains. Custom whitening trays provide the professional quality of a dentist in terms of whitening, but come as an affordable option that over-the-counter products have. It really is the best of both worlds in terms of strength and affordability. One of the best perks of whitening trays is that they are extremely durable and reusable, meaning you can keep doing the treatments for years. All you need to do is refill on whitening gel, which Sporting Smiles offers. The whitening trays are also waterproof, so they are easy to implement into a shower routine. Next time you search for teeth whitening near me, you'll know that the custom whitening tray option from Sporting Smiles is always an option, as you can order them online and have them sent directly to you after completing the impression kit. These trays will give your smile a huge boost and restore confidence while keeping your bank account in mind. Sporting Smiles has been in business since 2009 and has helped over 1 million people brighten their smiles. To order custom whitening trays from Sporting Smiles, all you have to do is click the link below.